Welcome back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to Follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I am here today with special guest, Dan's Life at the Kingdom. And we hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day as of the recording this, it's Friday the 13th, September the 13th, 2024. And we are here at the Magic Kingdom, and it's, look behind us. Ain't nobody here. So we're gonna see maybe what kind of stuff we can do just like in an hour. How many things do you think we can get on? I don't know, but we'll see. So come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun. As Dan is going to show you, there is absolutely no wait whatsoever for Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Mostly because it doesn't exist, but you know, if you want to pretend to be on it, they at least have this up here. By the way, where we were for the intro is Storybook Circus right there. So Storybook Circus, obviously you see there's nobody in there right now, but it's a great charging station for your phones, which is what we were doing. Look, it's a smell-elephant on parade. What do you smell? I smell the dirt from this grass here. That's about it. I don't smell anything else. Do you smell anything else? No. I did not smell anything else. There's another smell-elephant here. What does it smell like? Maybe cotton candy? I don't know. It doesn't really have a very strong smell. There's Dumbo. We're gonna go get, I haven't ridden Dumbo in like years, literally years. But we're gonna go get on Dumbo. Why not? It's only a 5-minute wait. Dumbo, the flying elephant, presented by Sensi. Wait time 5 minutes. Woo. Step right up, come play inside, and we'll let you know when it's your turn to ride. This way to the Dumbo. Now we are inside the big top. If you're gonna play, you can play, or you can come to play, fly. Either way to fly. Let's go this way to fly. There's 2 of these here now, so what the heck? We figured we'd just walk on over to this one. When they get off, it'll be our turn, and that'll be it. We made it! Hey, Dad! Filling up, folks. Here we go on the Dumbo. Mine doesn't go up very much. I got one that's not working. Whatever, it's fine. Yeehaw! Here we go. Woohoo! Seriously, this is the first time I've been on this ride in, I don't know, a decade? I go on carpets. I don't know, it's not that big of a deal. It's a much bigger deal if I have Xander with me. He's not here today. Achoo, here we go. Going down. Well, that was quick, that's for sure. So our next 5-minute wait ride is the teacups. We are going to make ourselves sick by riding teacups. 5 minutes on the teacups. Here we go. Woohoo! The teacups going round and round and round they go. Gotta find a cup. There's one. Here we go.
There's no roof out here.
Yes, we have a roof here.
We have a roof here. This is like house now.
Can't spin yet. Can we spin? Let's spin. Oh, here we go. Spinny, spinny, spinny. I should not have eaten that churro. Oh, no. It's funny how on this ride, like, some of the spins seems to be more pronounced than other of the spins. Like here, whoa, there you go this way. Woo! Is it just me, or did we just do like 2 rides literally within 10 minutes? Yes. We did 2 rides within 10 minutes today at the Magic Kingdom. We're at Peter Pan's Flight, which never has a 30-minute wait time, but has a 30-minute wait time today. And we're going to see if that, even if that 30-minute wait time is accurate. So here we go. First turnaround. It is 1:45 in the afternoon. We've got a timer on there, so we're about 5 seconds into the wait here. And we shall see. We're already almost at the inside. The queue is really cool here. to London. What darlings. So this is the inside of the Peter Pan queue. If you've never been to it, this is like the darling's house. There's a bedroom, the sheds. It's kind of cute. You don't really spend a whole lot of time in this part of the queue, but I actually really enjoy the queue. There's like a magic screen over there, and you can just see what happens when we get up to it. But it's fun. It's a very fun queue. Oh, I think Peter Pan just came in. Look at that. Oh, there's Tinkerbell. Is that Walt Disney's shadow? Oh, look, there's my shadow. What's going on there now? And we finally made it back to the outdoor portion. Woohoo! So as we were just about to get on, so right about at the 30-minute mark, we were blocked, and then they let Lightning Lane people on for like the next 4 minutes? 3 minutes? Yeah, 3 minutes. So it would have been 30 minutes, but then Lightning Lane people came and they disrupted us for about 3 minutes. But it's still, that was a fairly accurate wait time today. Okay, here we go. First star to the right and straight on until morning. Here we go. Woohoo! Wait, weren't we just in this room? I'm so confused. I thought I already saw Tinkerbell. Tink tink. There's Nana. Ruff ruff. It's like E.T. We're flying over the city.
Fire, Mr. Schmee.
Mr. Schmee just lost his job. I'm pretty sure. Because like Captain Hook was like, fire Mr. Schmee. So that's it. Oops. Here's the best part of the ride right here. Look, it's an Ariel. Here's the native scene that they updated. It's funny that they updated it because anybody that's normally just coming through here, it really won't make a difference. So it'll probably make a difference to like 2 or 3 people. But the majority of people, you know, if I'm in business, I'm going to cater to the vast majority. I'm not going to cater to a very slender, very picky, very opinionated minority. Mr. Smee! Oh no, Captain Hook. I can't get out of here now. I'm so lost. Help me! What a crock. This is a really short ride. We're already done. And we are off. Where to next? I don't know. Walk into Epcot now. I don't know if that got cut really quick, but anyway, I'm not at Magic Kingdom anymore. Dan had to go. I'm going back to Epcot. But before I head in, if you don't mind, could you give this video a like? Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And of course, click that notification bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm and you're notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. Do drop a comment before you head out the door and share this on all your social medias. I am going into Epcot. Come along with me. And we've made it in to Epcot. Yes, indeed we have. It's the International Food and Wine 2024. There's Spaceship Earth in all her glory. Here we go. Spaceship Earth. 5-minute wait. It's a walk-on right now. 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday. Walking in to Epcot. All right, here we are at the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival. Bramblewood Bites kiosk, established 2024. They have grilled cider brined pork tenderloin with fennel apple slaw and apple cider gastrique. The grilled bison, I gotta try that, with butternut squash, puree, roasted mushrooms, and huckleberry gastrique. And they have cast iron roasted Brussels sprouts and root vegetables. Candied pecans, maple bourbon glaze. That looks good.
And of course, they're cooking it all fresh here. Oh, right on the grill, just to the left side of the kiosk. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious.
Okay, so here is the bison and Brussels sprouts. I'm not going to video myself eating. I just don't do that. Typically, I don't like to. So, let's see how they taste. Those were delicious. The bison it's just a really small portion size, but it's bison, so I kind of understand, but it was excellent, really, really delicious. And the Brussels sprouts and the root vegetables, those were excellent, really, really good. But
I'm over here by Macketizers, and I think I want to go get in line and get me some mac and cheese.
yes, I am in the infamous Communicore Hall.
The Macketizers here. Here's their menu. The traditional mac and cheese with herb pinto, cheese stick macaroni and cheese, truffle macaroni and cheese, and impossible macaroni and cheese. I prefer the possible, but that's me. Now I have the steak and cheese, macaroni and cheese. This looks good. There's the Communicore in all of its glory. I am leaving the Communicore now. There's actually a kind of a nice view here of Spaceship Earth. Look at that. That's pretty. Anyhow, I can tell you as I leave that macaroni and cheese was freaking fantastic. And here, let me show you if I can. Got my passport here, right? My Epcot International Food and Wine Festival passport, right? You can see that. And they have this thing called Amuse Fromage Montage, which means if you get 6, I think it's 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 stamps, like this stamp here, in one of these blank squares. This is when you buy any Epcot Festival cheese-related dish. You get 6 of those in the same book. Turn them in, and if you get them in multiple books, that's fine, as long as you have 6 total. You turn it in, and then you get a piece of cheesecake for free. Yum! Well, everyone, that's it for today's vlog. I'm heading out of Epcot right now. Thanks for coming in today. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please click that notification bell, because you know when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm and you get notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. And until the next time, I want to conclude. Sorry, real quick, I want to conclude. It's not empty, but numbers are pretty low right now. So, you know, if you can snag a ticket, come on over now, because now's a good time. Get on things in 5 minutes. It's great. Until next time, we'll see you real soon. Ciao, everybody. Bye!